Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to review one of the most top rated cloud migration and management solution from Wondershare. This application is Wondershare InClouds. Using this application, you can migrate the data from one cloud service to another, manage all the cloud accounts in one place, synchronize the data between them, and most importantly, you can ensure the safety of your cloud data. This application supports Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Box, and Amazon E3 services. This application is available on Windows, supporting Windows 10, 8, and 7 operating systems, and it is also available on Mac OS. Let's download this free application, install it in normal procedure, and then review its all important features. Once the installation is done, let's click on Start Now to launch the application. So this is the simple user interface of Wondershare InClouds. So to start with, log in into this application using Wondershare ID and password and then add all your cloud services. Let's go to Management section and then click on Add. Here you will see the list of all the supported cloud services. Just click on any service to add. After you click on Authorize Now, you will be automatically redirected to the login page of that cloud service account. Log in using your ID and password and then click on Allow to manage this account. When this account is authorized, you can come back to Wondershare InClouds application. Now you can see this account has been added into Management section. Similarly, following the same steps, you can add different supported cloud accounts. Once you add all the required cloud services, you can see the summary of all the cloud accounts, like how many accounts have been added and what is the used and unused memory of all the accounts put together. To migrate the data between cloud accounts, let's first go to Migrate section. Here the source cloud drive is from where you want to move the data and target cloud drive is where you want to move the data. Let's select the Dropbox under source drive and Google Drive under target. And now if you click on Migrate, all the data from Dropbox account will be moved under Google Drive. But if you want to move any specific files, just click on the cloud account under source section. Just select the files you want to move and then click on OK. Now if you click on Migrate, all the selected files will be moved from Dropbox to Google Drive account. Let's open the Google Drive account and here you will see all the files have been successfully migrated with just few clicks of button. Similarly, you can migrate the data between any cloud services following the same steps. To sync the data between two cloud accounts, let's click on Sync option. Here also you will find the same source and target drive options, but the only difference is you will not be able to sync individual files. In fact, you need to sync the complete data between the accounts. Let's click on OneDrive under source and Dropbox under target section and then click on Sync. Now if you go to Dropbox account, you will see all the data from OneDrive has been successfully moved under Dropbox account. So this way, you can easily back up all your data between the cloud accounts. Not just migrating and syncing the data between the cloud accounts, you can also manage all your cloud accounts using this application. Let's go to Management section to find the list of all the cloud accounts. Let's click on the account you want to manage and then it will show the list of all the available data. Select the files you want to manage and now if you right click, you will find the options like Download, Migrate the files to another cloud accounts. Just select the account and then click on OK to migrate. And also you can delete the files if required. We also have few options on top right corner, like you can click on refresh to sync the account with latest data. You can also choose upload option, browse for the file and then click on OK to upload that file into the cloud account. We can also download the files using this option and create the new folders. Rename the folders as per your requirement and then start uploading the files into it. So as we have seen, Wondershare InClouds is a very important tool to manage all your cloud accounts at one place without even logging into multiple times and remembering the password of all different accounts. I have provided the link in the video description. Feel free to download this application, try it out and then provide your feedback and suggestions. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.